Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can change chart of accounts on Sage accounting software. To change chart of accounts, go to Settings section and there is Business Settings as a subsection or subcategory. Scroll to section called Chart of Accounts. And this is where we can apply filters and add a new ledger account. So for example, if I want to add a new category under my sales, select that category, click search so you know which codes you should be adding or creating for. So all my sales are falling under nominal code starting with 4. For comparison, let's look at direct expenses, and I search for direct expenses. All direct expenses are under nominal code starting with 5, as you can see. So I would suggest you to always search by that category where you want to add a new code, and then you will know what nominal code it should start. So for example, I will look at current assets, and when I click on search, so all my current assets are under a category called 1. So as I said, each section of your reports will have a separate category code starting with. So I want to add a new sale code for, let's say I have another course, let's say one-to-one sessions. So my online baking course was under 4011. So next I will add under 4012. So click on new ledger account, ledger name I will have starting with sales, and it will have 1-to-1 sessions. Okay, display name I will copy and paste the same. And now we need to enter nominal code. As I said, sales starts with 4 and it falls under services, which is starting with 4010 and something. So 4011 was my online course. So next in a sequence is 4012. Select category, select sales, because if you select wrong category, this code will be mapped in wrong place. So by mistake, it might be instead of added under your revenue or turnover or income or sales categories, will fall under maybe expenses, and you don't want that one happening. So just select correct category. Okay, and then VAT rate if it applies. So if you are VAT registered business, this is helpful to add different rates in case if you have a business which provides different rated services. So in my case, I will say that this service would have been applied with 20% VAT if I would have been a VAT registered business. And visibility, system would automatically select the category. So this area is kind of not needed for you to change unless you know that it needs to be going under bank as well. Otherwise, just leave as pre-selections for this particular category group what system provides to you. And once you're happy, click on Save. And you can see sales one-to-one sessions have been added to our chart of accounts. So this is a way how you can add additional categories or codes under chart of accounts on Sage accounting software. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage for your business operations, I have left the link in the description section below to my personal complete Sage tutorial. Go and check it out yourself.